Today we'll talk about why the claim experience differs between individual and group health insurance plans. Individual health insurance policies can come with several complexities and challenges that causes stress for policyholders during the claim process. But group policies tend to have less complexities and confusion. Last week, a friend's father asked for help with his individual health insurance claim. He needed to have a knee replacement surgery and the insurance company TPA, third-party administrator, wanted to see copies of his policies from when he first bought it. But he did not have a record from more than a year ago and hence was having trouble. This is a common problem for people with individual health insurance policies. They often have to go back and forth with the insurance companies when trying to settle a claim. But people who are a part of group policies doesn't face these kind of problems. This is because of several reasons. The main issue that causes stress for individual policies is waiting periods. Individual policies have different types of waiting periods. The first is an initial waiting period which can last from 30 to 90 days and can only cover accidental emergency claims. Then there is disease-specific waiting period where certain named illnesses cannot be covered until the waiting period is over. This can last from 1 year to 4 years. Common illnesses on this list include hernia, knee replacement, cataract. Lastly, there is a waiting period for pre-existing disease which can last from 2 years to 4 years. If for a condition like high blood pressure has been diagnosed before the policy was issued, then the related claim such as a heart attack claim can only be covered after the waiting period is over. At the time of claim, the insurance company checks if it is subject to any of these waiting periods. In almost all the group policies, these waiting periods are waived. Another issue that arises with individual policies is that of policy supplements. While the policy supplements may be present in individual and group both the policies, but the way they are applied is different. In case of individual policies, the caps are usually linked to the sum assured. For example, room rent cap may be stated as 1% of the sum assured. It is important to determine what the applicable sum assured is. Reasons for delays in claim processing: poor claim experience. Some individual policies consider accumulated no claim bonus as part of the sum assured. It is important to check if the sum assured was increased in recent years and if the incremental sum assured is subject to any waiting period. These issues do not arise in case of group policies. In group policies, there is no such accumulated no claim bonus and the sum assured is defined for each year at the policy start date. Even if there was an enhancement in previous years, then also the caps would be linked to the current year's sum assured. Another factor that leads to back and forth communication is the various add-ons that can be included in individual policies. These add-ons may be unique to a specific insurer and not commonly chosen. As a result, TPA that handles the claim may fail sometimes to check for them. The initial claim settlement may be processed as usual. However, once it is brought to the notice of insurance company that add-on was chosen, then they may correct it. In group policies, generally the conditions are same for a particular group of members and there is less chance of confusion. In case you fail to disclose pre-existing condition, your claim could be rejected. When an individual policyholder files a claim, the insurer will check if there was any non-disclosure at the time of policy application. This can be a major issue. This scrutiny can feel like an attempt to deny the claim for policyholder. The insurer will investigate all records and look for potential links. In case of group policies, there is no underwriting of individual members. Hence, there is guaranteed coverage and so such checks are not applicable for group policies. In conclusion, to navigate the complexities of individual policies and ensure smooth claim process, the policyholders should be familiar with the policy terms and conditions, be proactive in addressing the issues that may arise, and engage with the insurance broker who can help them navigate the insurance ecosystem.